Hey guys, hello and welcome back to our channel. Right now, I'm walking on MG Marg in Gangtok, Sikkim. So let me take you around and give you a guided tour of Gangtok's most visited tourist destination, MG Marg. So hey guys, right now we are at MG Marg in Gangtok, and I can see we are entering the Mahatma Gandhi Road, that is MG Road, and this is the entry. I'll show you, and that's the Mahatma Gandhi statue after whom the road is named. This is a non-motorable road and people can only walk out here. There's another part of the road up ahead where cars can ply, but half of the road is for walking and half is for cars. So people come here to enjoy the evenings, and this is the most happening place in Gangtok. This is a very nice place. You can see this is the road. I will show you. That's the road, and this is a very posh area, and it's always bustling with people, mostly tourists, but many locals also visit the place. There are a lot of options out here for food, and this is the place you should always be when you are in Gangtok. This is a must visit. You can see there are many bars. Then left of me there is the Dragon Bar, Dragon Walk, the name of the place. MG Marg in Gangtok is a pollution-free and litter-free zone. Smoking is prohibited in this area, though you will not find many signage as such saying smoking prohibited, but people in the area know that very well, and if you try to smoke or try to litter, they will warn you, especially the locals. And if you litter, in fact, there is a fine in Sikkim as well as Gangtok. Another interesting feature about the place is that the buildings on both sides of the road are painted green. You'll find different hues of green in almost all the buildings around the place, and it signifies that this is a green zone. So while in Gangtok and while in MG Marg, please try to keep that in mind and do not litter. In front of you is the statue of Mahatma Gandhi, the father of the nation, after whom the road is named. And that's Thakurbari Temple. We went there yesterday and we have a video of our trip to Thakurbari Temple, which you can see in our channel. The link will be given in the description. This part of MG Marg is the entry point to the road, and it is well connected to the other parts of the town. You can get cabs to the other parts of the town at a distance of few paces from this place. So it's time for us to take a short snack break. See you after that. So we're going to have a softy ice cream right now at MG Marg, and you can see the guy is making the ice cream for us. It costs 20 bucks, and there it is. And there are two types of cones, the normal and the chocolate. So we're taking the normal cone, which is 20 bucks, and the chocolate one costs 30 bucks. So there we go, that's mine. There we are, so enjoy. You can see a lot of seats out here, and people can sit out here and enjoy the mood and vibe of the place. There are a lot of bars and restaurants and a lot of tourist souvenir shops. A lot of banks are out here too. Well guys, we are walking down MG Road. As you can see, it's evening time, and that's the view of the road. A lot of tourists out here. Many locals are there too. People are sitting on the benches and having a nice time. And the lights are starting to glow, you can see, and the fountains have also started. There's the fountains. This place is heavenly during the evening. It's full of lights and full of entertainment, full of joy. People all around, they're happy and in the mood for fun. A lot of bars are out there, and even people are taking photographs. You can see a lot of people out here. is a place to click some pictures, and we are thinking of clicking one too. There is a statue of Mahatma Gandhi, after whom the road is named. So we'll stand here and click some pictures.
This place in front of you is Baker's Cafe. Yesterday we had our breakfast out here, and you can check the episode on our channel. The link will be given in the description, and the trip to the place was really good as the food was very nice. And speaking of breakfast, the early mornings of MG Marg is a totally different sight. So peaceful and quiet, as if the place has just awakened from its slumber, stretching its limbs, preparing for the tiresome day ahead. During this time, most of the outlets are closed, and if you are searching for some quick breakfast, Agarwal's food shop in the middle of MG Road is amongst the few places that we'll find open. We had a breakfast out here once, and this is an Indian fast food joint with all veg options. And to get your food, you have to pay upfront in the counter out here, and then you have to get your food from this place. From the counter they'll offer you a token just like this one, and you have to give the token out here and they'll provide you the food. Well guys, we had our breakfast out here. It was quite good. As the sun goes higher, the place gradually starts to come to life, and it is after nightfall that the place is at its full potential. The shops are well lit all around, and the place gets transformed into a lively nightlife zone.
So this is MG Marg at night, and the place is well lit up. You can see a lot of tourists out there as well as locals. And they're enjoying a nice evening at MG Marg. This is the far end of MG Marg. And you can see my friends taking photos. This place is bustling with crowds right now. There's a huge crowd out here. Many of them locals, but mostly tourists. And people are sitting out here or roaming around this place. This place is quite spanky clean. The vibe of this place is very nice and it's very lively. The shops have been well lit, you can see. This is a place you can come any part of the day, especially in the evenings when it's nice and shiny. So hey guys, we are at MG Marg right now, and my friends have gone to a curio shop to buy some stuff. And next to me there is a mask. It's a Ganesha mask. It's a Hindu god with the head of an elephant. And this way is the MG Road towards the end exit. And this place is divided into two parts. One of the parts is for cars, that's on the other side, and this side is for pedestrians. So we'll move towards the front part of MG Road right now. So this is MG Road at night, and you can see nice dragons on display out here. It's a curio shop, I guess. It's a nice place to be in during the evenings, and a lot of tourists out here. They are running around. There's a miniature store, but it's closed. There's a nice fountain out here. There are fountains at regular intervals. You can see the cars are parked on the other side. That's the car road, and this is the road for the pedestrians. Where the junction point of MG Road. This is the place where the car road separates from the walkway. And down here you can go towards the Denzong Cinema, this road.
You can see some kids out here are making soap bubbles. It's quite nice to see them. Well guys, we are having mango cheesecake. That's the view from the restaurant. And that is the restaurant, Baking Magic. But for me, the best time to visit MG Marg would be at dusk. Just the time when the sun is not yet set, but all the shops
So starting to lit up. There are several types of shops, souvenir shops, food shops, several banks, electronic shops, hotels, restaurants, and people are sitting here having a leisure time, enjoying others, seeing them walking by. Some people are crowd gazing and some are romancing. So there is a Taste of Tibet restaurant out there. This place, the food is nice. We went there in the afternoon and I have a video on that. You can see it on my channel. So we are nearing the end of the MG Road. We're almost near the end, and that is the view of MG Road from the far end. And up there goes Tibet Road. That is the way towards the Namnam viewpoint, which we went earlier. You can check it on our video in our channel. And there is a newly made statue of a panda. People take photographs with the statue. So we are moving down towards Lal Bazaar right now. And that's all from MG Road. Guys, we really hope you liked our video. And please subscribe and share our videos. We'll see you in our next video. Till then, have a nice time.